Here's a little bit more on the turmeric plant. This is what it looks like, and it grows very well in a window box. I have several of them growing in this window box. You can see. So it's not very deep. The roots don't have to grow deep. It's a really nice plant. It likes the heat. It will grow well all summer. And then in the late summer or early fall, it starts to put its energy into the roots. You can see this nice golden color that it has. So this is rich in the curcumin that is extracted from this turmeric plant. This can be used in juice. You can grate it and eat it. You can juice it. You can make a tincture out of it. There are ways to put it into your diet. So this is a very awesome and easy plant to grow, the turmeric plant.